Hello, today we're going to be creating some procedural wood using Blender 4.1. We're going to start by scaling down our mesh to 0.1 on the Z and then 3 times up on the X and half and to 0.5 on the Y. We're going to apply these scales with Ctrl A and then add a bevel modifier to it. I'll set the segments to 5 and then the amount to 0.5, and then we're also going to shade smooth this. Now we're going to open up the shader editor and then we're going to add some new nodes. So we're going to start off with a noise texture, setting it to hetero terrain. This will give us similar effects as the old Musgrave, which has now been removed. We're going to need a second one plugged in from the factor to the vector. Then we're going to add a texture coordinate node, going from the object into my mapping node, that is then going into the noise texture. Change the X's scale to 0.3 and the Y to 2. And then over in the noise texture, we're going to start changing the noise's scale, detail, and roughness until we can get something that we're happy with. Then from the noise texture, we're going to add a color ramp, which is going to lead into a bump node type map. Looking at this from render mode, we can see that our bump node needs to be inverted and that our strength will need to come down quite a bit. Next, we're going to add a second color ramp. The black will be our area colors, so we're going to set that to a light brown. And then the white will be our darker recessed areas, so we're going to set that to a darker variant of the first brown. Feel free to change these as you prefer. Now we're going to create the roughness. We're going to start off with a color ramp and we're inverting the colors so that the black will control the inner areas. I'm going to set my black to around 0.4 so that the inner edges are shiny while the rest of the material remains rather matte. And there we have it, a fairly simple procedural stylized texture using the new nodes in Blender 4.1.